Why does AML relapse after remission? Imagine fighting a battle against leukemia and finally reaching remission, only to find the disease sneaking back later. This is a common concern with acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. To understand why this happens, we need to look at the tiny cells that hide within the disease. These are called leukemic stem cells. They are special because they can survive chemotherapy, which often kills most of the leukemia cells. These stem cells can stay dormant or in a low-activity state, making them hard to detect and eliminate. Later on, they can wake up and start dividing again, leading to a relapse. Leukemic stem cells are like the root of a weed. Even if you cut the weed above ground, the roots can grow back. These cells have properties similar to normal stem cells, like the ability to self-renew and stay in a resting state. Because of this, they can resist treatments designed to target rapidly dividing cells. Studies show that relapse often comes from these resistant stem cells that were present before treatment. Sometimes, relapse happens from more mature leukemia cells that have acquired new mutations, but often it is from these original stem cells that survived. AML is also very genetically diverse. Some clones of leukemia cells survive treatment because they have genetic mutations that make them resistant. Interestingly, about 40% of relapses happen without new mutations, which means other factors are at play. Changes in how genes are turned on or off, called epigenetic changes, can help leukemia cells adapt and survive. These changes can happen without altering the DNA itself but still allow the cells to evade chemotherapy. Different clones of leukemia cells can develop similar epigenetic states, a process called convergent evolution, which helps them resist treatment. After chemotherapy, some leukemia cells enter a state similar to cellular aging, called senescence. These cells produce signals that promote inflammation and can help reprogram other cells to regain stem-like qualities. This reprogramming can make the leukemia more aggressive and capable of causing a relapse. Additionally, leukemia cells that boost their energy production through mitochondria, the cell's powerhouses, and improve their DNA repair mechanisms are better equipped to survive chemotherapy. This enhanced survival ability allows these resistant cells to persist and, eventually, cause the disease to return. Certain molecular pathways inside leukemia cells become more active at relapse. These pathways promote cell survival, growth, and stemness, making the leukemia more resilient. All these factors, resistant stem cells, genetic and epigenetic changes, cellular reprogramming, and improved survival mechanisms, work together to enable residual leukemia cells to survive initial treatment. Over time, they can multiply and reestablish the disease. Understanding these complex mechanisms is crucial for developing new treatments that specifically target the resistant leukemic stem cells and their survival tricks. By doing so, scientists hope to prevent relapse and improve the long-term outlook for people with AML. If you or someone you know is dealing with leukemia, always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and the latest treatment options.